Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Ford Focus Trend hatch, stock reference number 5483. The shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate has 2 small dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack control panel, head unit, display cluster, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke or 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.